So now that you've finished the 22nd row, you'll have your 4 border rows at the bottom, the middle flat where you can embroider, and then the top 4 rows that are border. So to finish, since the last row we started with was a purl stitch, we're going to start with a knit stitch. So you'll knit 1, purl the next one, and then to bind off, now that we have 2 stitches on the right needle, we are going to take the needle that is furthest back and slip it over the needle or the other stitch and off. And so then you'll have 1 stitch left on your right needle. And then we are going to knit the next one because that's what would be a next in order. And if you ever forget, which I often do when I'm casting off, to know if you're going to knit or purl the next stitch, you can see there's a horizontal line here. And so I know that means that I'm going to knit this stitch. And then here, I don't see that horizontal line. And so I would purl this stitch. So I'm going to knit this stitch. Now that I have 2 stitches on my needle, my right needle, I'm going to pull this over and off. So I'll have 1 stitch on this needle. And now, do I know if I'm going to knit or purl? I look, I don't see a horizontal line. I'm going to purl. And then slip this stitch over and off. And so you see you're starting to get kind of an edge here. And you'll continue that all the way until you have 1 stitch left.